Hello everyone, welcome back to your maths class. Students, in previous class I just explained you about the algebraic expressions. Now in today's class let's start exercise 6a. Question number 1 is identify monomial, binomial, trinomial from the following expressions. First of all, let's just recall what does it mean monomial, binomial, trinomial. Monomial means having one term in algebraic expression. Binomial means having two terms in algebraic expressions. And trinomial means having three terms in the algebraic expressions. Here in the third part we have just one term. So this is monomial. So right here monomial. Next, we have two terms. These two parts attached with minus sign. So, we have two terms here. Two term means binomial. So, right here binomial. Next, fifth part we have 1, 2, 3. These three parts are attached with plus or minus sign. So we have three terms. Three term means this is trinomial. Next question, question number 2. Write the coefficient of x in the following. They have given some algebraic expressions and they are asking to find the coefficient of x. We have in second part algebraic expression mx and they are asking to find the coefficient of x. So to find the coefficient of x, just divided by x. Divide कर देते हैं x से. What is remaining? X to x cancel out. We have m. So coefficient of x is m here. Simple, right? Now here in this expression minus 2px. You want to find the coefficient of x. So divided by x. X to x cancel out. What do you have now? Minus 2p. Right? So the coefficient of x in this expression is minus 2p. Next part, fourth part, 3xy square. And they are asking the coefficient of x. So divided by x. X to x cancel out, you are having with 3y square. So the coefficient of x is 3y square. Similarly, in the fifth part, they have given the algebraic expression minus 1 upon 3xp. And they are asking the coefficient of x. So divided by x, x to x cancel out, you are having with minus 1 upon 3p. So the coefficient of x in this expression is minus 1 upon 3p. Next question, question number 3. Write the coefficient of. In first part, find the coefficient of x. In this algebraic expression, minus 6xy square. You are finding the coefficient of x. So divided by x. X to x cancel out. What is remaining? Minus 6y square. So the coefficient of x is minus 6y square. Similarly, in the fourth part, they are asking the coefficient of x square y. And the algebraic expression is minus 4 upon 9a x square y. You are finding the coefficient of x square y now. So divided by x square y. Now x square to x square cancel out. Y to y cancel out. What do you have now? You have minus 4 upon 9a. So the coefficient of x square y is minus 4 upon 9a. Next, sixth part. Find the coefficient of z in minus z. The algebraic expression is minus z and you are finding the coefficient of z. So divided by z. Z to z cancel out, but you have minus sign here. So you can say that z ones are z, right? So this is minus 1. So the coefficient of z in minus z is minus 1. Clear? Because z से z तो cancel out हो गया था, minus 1 was remaining. So this is equals to minus 1. Clear? Next, question number 4. Identify the like terms in each of the following. As you have studied in previous video, that like terms are those terms in which variables are same with the same power. Clear? So this a square and this a square, these are the variable na, and these variables are same. Clear? So these are like terms. A square to a square, these are like terms. And third part, first expression has variable m square n, second has m square p, थर्ड हैज m square n. इसमें भी वेरिएबल क्या है? m square n ही है. इसमें क्या है? m square n square. So the terms having similar variables are 8m square n and minus m square n. So these are like terms. लाइक टर्म्स वो टर्म्स होती हैं जिसमें वेरिएबल और उनकी पावर क्या हो? सेम हो. सो वी हैव फाउंड हियर लाइक टर्म्स. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. आइडेंटिफाई पॉलिनोमियल्स फ्रॉम द गिवन algebraic expressions. They have given some algebraic expression and they are asking to find the polynomials. Before finding polynomials, let's just recall polynomials. What is polynomial? होता क्या है polynomial? Any algebraic expression having more than one term, कोई भी algebraic expression जिसमें one से ज़्यादा term हो, called polynomial. But two conditions were there, that variable should not be in denominator, variable denominator में नहीं होना चाहिए, and second was variable should not have negative power. Any algebraic expression having variable negative power and variable in denominator cannot be polynomial, right? So here in this second part and in this fourth part, variables are in denominator. Variable कहाँ है? Denominator में भी आ रहे हैं, right? So these cannot be polynomial, right? These are polynomials, first and the third algebraic expressions. So 4 upon 9 x square minus 4 upon 9 x square plus 4, and second expression which is polynomial is 3a cube plus 4a square b plus 8b cube. These expressions are polynomial. Question number 6 is write down the degree of the following polynomials. Students, to find degree, पहले आप क्या करते हैं? जितने भी वेरिएबल्स हैं हर एक टर्म में उनकी पावर्स को ऐड करते हैं, एंड द हाईएस्ट सम विल बी दी डिग्री. हाईएस्ट सम जो भी होगा वो क्या हो जाएगी? डिग्री हो जाएगी. सो लेट्स चेक विद द फर्स्ट पार्ट. फर्स्ट टर्म हैज़ डिग्री 2. फर्स्ट टर्म में सिर्फ एक ही वेरिएबल है जिसकी डिग्री क्या है? 2 है. सेकेंड टर्म हैज़ डिग्री 4. Here the greatest one is 4. So the degree of this polynomial will be 4. Clear? Next, in the fourth part, now we have two variables. So firstly we add the power of the variables of the first term. First term में जितने भी variables हैं p and q, उनकी power को क्या कर देते हैं? add, which is 6. Now second term, for second term p has power 1 and q has power 2. So this is 3. And third term does not have variable. It means there is power 0 of p and q, right? So the greatest one is 6. Greatest क्या है? 6. So this is the degree of this polynomial. Clear? So students, with this question we have completed exercise 6th A. I have left some parts. Those parts you will practice yourself. In next class we will start the next exercise. Till then, keep doing practice and be safe at your home. Thank you. Have a good day.